Okay, so we get this really cool candle making kit here. I'm going to start the video off by taking one of the 4-ounce wax kits and adding it to this. So while this is melting, I can explain the rest. Put the lid on this, keep the heat in. Okay, so everything that this kit comes with, you're gonna have your colors here, a bunch of different smells here. You're gonna have 4 different 4-ounce candles and 4 6-ounce candles. You can see this one's glass and this one's metal. And then you're gonna have 4 packs of your 4-ounce wax and then 4 packs of your 6-ounce wax, obviously to match each one of these. You're gonna have some warning labels, some wicks, a marker to put on your actual candle labels that come with it. And then these are going to help the wicks stay at the bottom of the can. And then this is going to help keep the wick up straight while you're pouring the wax into it. And this you're going to put on the table so it doesn't hurt the table whenever you pour this hot wax into this metal can. So that's everything that's in there. I have the wax kit turned all the way up high right now. Before you put your smell in there, you want it to be 140 degrees. So keep that in mind. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add the wick to the can. Okay, so we're going to take our little double-sided tape things here. And we're going to peel that off. And we're just going to stick this metal part of the wick right in the middle. And then go ahead and peel that off here. It is super sticky. And we are going to put it right in the middle of the can. And there you go. It's going to hold it just like that. So that's how you do that. And then to keep it right there in the middle, you're going to use this stick. See, it's got a hole right in the middle. You're going to slide it in there. And you can use the stick to keep the wick right where you want it, wherever you're pouring the hot wax into there. And it also comes with this spoon, which you're going to use to stir the wax with. Okay, so I'm going to let this melt, and we're going to come back whenever it's melted. So it's almost all the way melted. I'm going to go ahead and add one of these little violet pucks to it. There's 2 in each little bag. I'm going to just put 1 in here, and say they come in this little thing right here. Okay, so I got the thing melted in here. So now I turned it down to 140. The little light on here will turn red whenever it's not the temperature that you set it to. And it's going to turn green when it does reach the temperature to whatever you set it to. And 140, the instructions say don't add the smell until 140. So that's what I'm waiting on now, is this to cool down to 140. I'm going to add the smell. Okay, we're ready to add the lavender now. I'm just going to add like a really good amount. It says 10% of the weight. We are exactly 140. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stir this up a little bit and pour it in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it in there. Hopefully this goes how I want it to. I got my black glove on to stop myself from getting burned. Okay, we got it poured in there. We're going to let it cool and we'll be right back. All I did was wipe this with a paper towel and it became super clean. So that's all you got to do. Okay, here it is. That's how it looks. There's the inside of the candle. It's nice and lavendery looking, I think. This was the purple grape color. And we're going to light it and we're going to see how it smells. Wick works great. That's good. I'm going to pause the video and wait till it starts smelling. Okay, so you can see that only that little bit's melted already. And I can already start to smell it. It's only going to get stronger from there, but yeah, I can definitely start smelling it already. It was fun making it. That was my first time ever trying it. I was just reading the instructions, so it wasn't too bad. So make some tweaks next time and make it even better. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.